Hey, this week I'm featuring an article I wrote quite a few years ago about the one-page strategic plan that's featured in Scaling Up. Originally was in Rockefeller Habits. So in the article, I just talk about, and the article's called, "You Can't Win If You're Not on the Same Page." I know that's really novel, but it's true, and the metaphor holds that the idea of the one-page strategic plan is to get everyone very aligned on the few things that matter most, and then to stay focused on those. And basically, to keep the most important things, which is very easy to see or to say, sorry. And when we go into companies, often their strategic planning processes sometimes are really complex and they're all over the map. And that's why we have a page to get everyone back on and focused on to keep it really simple. So in the article, I talk about 10 things that really matter, like, getting clear on who we want to be as a company in 10 years. That we would call that vision. The big, obstacles and opportunities for the business. Giving people a crystal clear vision that they can grab onto. Not only do we know it, but we can hand it off to the team, get people engaged in the priorities that matter most on an annual and quarterly basis. I mean, it's all basic stuff, but it's a really good long article that I wrote, and I hope you enjoy it. And the challenge I leave you with this week is, how do you take the plans that you have and try and simplify them and boil them down to the stuff that matters most? And the way we had asked to test that is that I could talk to anyone on your leadership team or your executive team and ask them their 3 or 4 top goals for the quarter. One, they would know them. And 2, we'd be able to see the alignment into the overall strat plan for the company. All right, hope you find that valuable. Simplicity matters. Simplicity scales. Have a great one.